based off the title, I'm guessing you figured it out. But yes, YouTube is doubling the requirements for the YouTube Partner Program to get monetized. So for those of you who don't know, if you're currently monetized, this won't affect you as much. There will be some changes to partners who are already monetized, but they will stay monetized. They will not lose their monetization due to these new updates. But for those of us who are new to YouTube, who are just starting this journey, it's really like a slap in the face or a punch in the gut. I'm new myself. This is going to be my second video, and I'm working extremely hard to get monetized. So basically, the requirements currently are that you have to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours within 365 days, or you can have 1,000 subscribers and 10 million short views within 90 days. That's the current standard. But starting February 1st of 2027, the new requirement, if you're not already monetized, is 1,000 subscribers. So yes, that'll stay the same, but your watch hours are going to go from 4,000 to 8,000. Yes, you heard that correct. They are doubling your watch hours. And if you don't do it by watch hours, you can get monetized by short views. So you'll need 1,000 subscribers and 20 million short views within 90 days. So currently it's 10, and it's going to jump to 20 million views within 90 days, which is no easy feat. Even some of these big channels struggle to reach those numbers. So to say that that's disheartening is an understatement. Like I said, this is only my second video, and I'm working so hard to come up with ideas and working on creating content while working a full-time job and being a single mom. Kids have just started back school, so I don't have a whole lot of free time. So I guess this is like a fire underneath my butt to really get started, to get going, to stop playing games. I really, really want this, and I just feel like this is maybe the push that I needed to take it more serious, because I wasn't taking it serious, and I do want this. So if you're freaking out about all the updates coming to the partner program, just keep in mind that AdSense is a very small portion of potential money you can earn for most YouTubers. Most YouTubers make more money from paid partnerships, sponsorships, affiliate links, selling their own product, whether it's a digital product like coaching, for example, or whether they start a brand and advertise it on YouTube. So we have to keep that in mind, that as we grow, whether it's slow growth or fast growth, that a lot of people get offered sponsorships and affiliate links, and we can also reach out as we start to grow and get noticed, and we can earn money in other ways. So we just have to kind of keep that in mind as we do this journey, and realize that them doubling the requirements, even though it sucks, it's not the end all be all, and there are other ways that we can make this money. So I say that to say this: just keep working hard, just believe in yourself, post those videos, and the biggest thing is be consistent. If you believe in yourself and you're consistent, you will see growth, and you will get there eventually. It may take, for some people, 1 month, one video, while others may take 100 videos in a year or two or more. But either way, like I said, there are other ways to make money other than just the AdSense from the YouTube Partner Program. So I hope that helps, and I look forward to all of us small channels growing, and I want everybody to support each other. All small YouTubers, gather here in the comments and like, comment, share my video, and like, comment, and share on each other's pages, and let's help each other grow, and let's help each other reach those requirements for monetization before February 1st of next year.